sometimes we get caught in the rain or the day after the rain that you have a lot of puddles. So there's a tip for you. Yes, I got caught in the rain. So let me show you a quick tip that I do. Let me get some cover here beneath this tree. Because now it's getting heavier. Okay, so when you get caught in the rain, or you know you're gonna ride in the rain, a good thing to do is lower the PSI of your tire. Usually, I give it like 1 to 3 touches. I know I have a pressure valve, but if you do have straight valve, just get like a little piece of like a pen or something and take the air out. What does it do? When the tire is very full of air, it touches only like this. But if you take the air out, it goes like this. So you have more contact with the floor. And that, you won't avoid a crash, but it will help you not to slide too much. So a good thing to do, it's always lower the PSI. Let's do it. In my case, it's just very easy. It's just open and that's it. That's usually 10 PSI, and that will help you ride your Brompton better in the rain because we know it's dangerous. So if you did like it, thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe yet, yeah, here you go. Just subscribe. Right in the end of the video, there will be my picture. Just click there. That's it. Easy. See ya. Bye-bye.